Hello and welcome to Bossard Product Solutions. My name is Manoj Kumar and I am the Product Solutions Manager for Bossard India. Today we will discuss about threaded insert solutions. Threaded inserts are used to create metal threads in light metals and plastic components to facilitate assembly with screws. Generally, threaded inserts are made of brass. However, with increased sustainability requirements, lead-free alternatives are also being used. Threaded inserts can be broadly classified into four categories, which are self-tapping inserts, molded-in inserts, pressed-in inserts, and wire-threaded inserts. Self-tapping inserts are tapered at bottom and they have a cutting slot. While screwing in, self-tapping inserts cut their own threads in the receiver's hole. Self-tapping inserts are used for making screw connections with materials like aluminum alloys, brass, bronze, thermoplastics, etc. The self-tapping inserts provide various benefits like simple installation, high shear resistance, and there are no threads needed in the mounting hole. These inserts are generally made of steel and stainless steel material. Molded-in inserts. As the name suggests, in case of molded-in inserts, inserts are pre-placed in positions in the mold and plastic is injected. The result is a single molded piece with inserts already at the required locations. Molded-in inserts are made of steel and stainless steel. Pressed-in inserts. Pressed-in inserts are simply installed by pressing them into pre-drilled holes. Pressed-in inserts are used in plastics, foam plastics, rubber, etc. These inserts are used when a strong reusable threaded joint is needed. Since pressed-in inserts are simply installed by compression forces, there is no requirement of heat or any ultrasonic arrangement, which makes the assembly pretty easier. The most common material for making pressed-in inserts is brass. Wire inserts. Threaded wire inserts or coiled wire inserts are used to create internal screw threads for installing a fastener, essentially providing a thread repair solution. These inserts are used to repair an already damaged internal thread. Even in environments with high vibrations and very high temperature variations, these inserts provide very strong and permanent screw threads. These inserts provide reliable threads in soft materials like wood, plastics, aluminium, and zinc die casting. So for any sort of insert requirements, our product solution engineers are always available right next to you. We will be happy to help you with the right selection of inserts to suit your application needs. Thank you.